How to end money fight in your relationship. Love is sweet, but money crisis in a relationship is another thing that destroys love. Kindly watch this video to the end because I'll be revealing some hidden secrets on how you can control money issues in your relationship. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to my platform. This is Chimamanda, or popularly known as Peculiar Money. I am a relationship therapist and a sex coach. Tell me what money has cost you in your relationship on the comment section, while I'll be there to respond to your questions and your pain, if possible. Let's dive into today's topic. Number one, respect different spending habits. Find a middle ground. For example, if your salary is 300,000 as the man of the family, from that 300,000, you are paying your children's school fees, doing a lot of things, and your wife still wants you to buy her bone straight hair and so many other things. You know from that money you will run expenses and still make little savings for yourself in case of tomorrow. So what do you have to do in this situation is to get your woman to sit down, then you try to explain things to her. Although some women can be very stubborn. They will tell you, you're a lazy man, you're a stupid man. They will insult you in so many ways that can even break your heart. Sometimes you will start wondering, is this woman really my wife? Or did I marry a troublesome person? It could be because she's materialistic. That is why she's always, wanting you to give her this and all of that. Sit her down and explain things to her. You guys need to have a neutral ground. And if she's working, she needs to try to contribute in one thing or the other. Although, in some situations, when a woman begins to contribute money in the house, she will try to be the oga kpata. Your respect as a man will begin to vanish. It's only few women that understands this, the love of supporting their partner. Number 2 point here is, you need to be 100% honest about money. No hidden debit or fake flexing. I am actually talking to married men. This video, this particular second point is for the married men. A lot of you married men will come home and tell your wife there is no money, but you go out and club with your friends. You spend millions of naira. But your wife will be begging you for just 50,000 naira to buy foodstuff at home. You will tell her that you don't have. But when she finally finds out that you have such kind of money and there is no money at home, you have been going out, you have been spending. You have been spending money on side chick. No. You need to balance the equation. Women love money. You cannot remove that from us. Women love what? Money. So if you are in a situationship with your woman, you need to learn how to make sure that you are transparent in some angle. I know as a man, you also have your own secrets now. It's not everything you tell your woman. But in all things, make sure that she's comfortable to some extent. Don't keep her hanging while you are satisfying outsiders. You need to make everyone equal. Even if you have a side chick outside, make your home stable before thinking about your side chickens. The next point we have here is, create budget that works for both of you. Balance spending and saving. Create a budget. If you don't create a budget, maybe in a month, You just bring out like 150,000 because things are not expensive. You give your woman, say, babe, use this and buy food things at home. Do you understand? Then split the bills. So it will enable you to save. If you don't create budgets that works for both of you, you will keep on having money issues. As long as you don't have a woman that understands you, even the ones that understands you, sometimes it is hard. As long as that woman is not cheating on you, you are the only person that she's dating, she will always ask you for money. And that is why you need to create a budget that works for both parties. The fourth point here is have money check. In monthly, no surprises, no fights. Have money check. The fifth point here is support each other's financial goal. It is not a war zone to know who is who is a provider than another. You guys need to support each other. Support each other. And if your wife doesn't have something she's doing, you need to open something for her to be doing so she doesn't become a liability to you. And even if you open before and the business collapse, find something else that you know that she can actually do again. Because when one person is bringing money alone in the family, it becomes a burden. But when two people are bringing money together in a family, the family will be more united. They will have money budgeting and spending budgeting. Do you get? Another point you have here is talk about money when you are calm, not during arguments. Talk about money when you are calm, not during arguments. Because a lot of you, once you are angry, that is when you start talking about, I asked you to give me money to buy gas. You could not give me money to buy gas. I asked you to give me money to pay junior school fees. You could not. How can you be talking about money in an intense argument? You are pouring kerosene into a burning fire. It will consume both of you now. Nobody wants to hear debates. And you guys are having relationship issues. You're talking about money. No. If you must have that kind of conversation, it has to be when everywhere is calm. You can wake your partner up in the midnight to have that calm conversation so that there will be peace in the house. And the last point here is love isn't all about who earns more money. It's about support. In everything you do, make sure you guys are birds of the same feather. Support each other. That is the only way you can stop financial crisis. That is the only way you can stop financial fights. Support each other. It shouldn't be a war zone. Once you talk about money, it is war zone. No. That same war zone, you will still go out and you will spend it. But for you to spend it in your family, it is an issue. That is bad. So if you actually enjoyed this video till now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.